How to replace the side panel. Removal. Lie the unit on its side. Loosen the T15 Torx-head screw at the rear of the side panel that secures it to the unit. Grasp the tab at the rear of the side panel and pull it slightly backward. Lift the side panel up and away from the unit. Replacement. Note, the side panel has several tabs on its edges, which fit into slots and under the front lip of the unit. It also features a small slot on the rear edge that a lock slot on the unit slides into. Align the tabs on the side panel over the corresponding slots on the unit. Slide the side panel forward until the lock slot at the rear of the unit fits through the small slot on the rear edge of the side panel. Tighten the T15 Torx-head screw to secure the side panel to the unit.